During a sudden city blackout, a couple discovers a new form of communication where shared tasks replace words and bring unexpected calm. With the room dim, they map a plan for evening together, turning fear into a playful rhythm of lightless coordination. They learn to read subtle cues in breath and posture, a language built from trust rather than talk. As hours pass, small acts of care become the backbone of connection, transforming stress into mutual resilience. This night proves that relationship psychology can hinge on quiet collaboration and the simple power of being present.